My cutie just went into her mouth.
What's happening to me? I gotta get home! Mom, what happened to you?
Baby, I'm home starving.
I want meat!
Mom, I'm going to get meat for you!
I need food!
Thanks a ton, shopkeeper! I got lots of fresh meat for Mom!
I need food!
He messed up! Forgive us! Balerino Chappuchino!
I need food!
No! No! That's not my mom! Ah! Somebody help! Wait, it was just a dream? Whew, thank God.